project is electrostatic space debris capture system. So why is this project? Here we launch many satellites into space. They revolve at a particular orbit called low Earth orbit.
Okay.
And as the year increases, the number of satellites is also increases. Then the chances that they collide is also increases. When one satellite collides to another working satellite, they form tiny specks of dust like this, fragments. Those are called space debris or space waste or space junk. To collect this space junk, there are
Waste.
many space waste or space debris. To collect these space debris, there are several methods. For larger debris, from NASA and ESA, there are many methods. But in case of smaller debris, these are very problematic than larger debris.
Every time this is destroyed to satellites.
And these debris again collide to another working satellite,
Okay.
which is problematic for another satellite also, and even for more debris. That syndrome is called Kessler syndrome.
Okay.
And we call space debris as leftover fragments from satellites or old rockets and other space missions. And there are over 36,500 large objects and 128 million smaller fragments that are currently orbiting our Earth. And here's the scale of it.
Okay.
Through this, we can conclude that these are very problematic for satellites and also dangerous for satellites. We know satellites are very useful for navigation and other for trajectory and other purposes. So to protect those satellites, we are implementing many solutions. From NASA and ESA, there are many solutions like solar sailing, net in the system, ionized beam shipper method, robotic arm, etc. But these are only for larger debris. Instead of smaller debris, these are very problematic than larger debris. So to capture them, my project is for utilizing electrostatic forces to capture them. Main principle is Coulomb's law. F is equal to K into Q1 into Q2 by R square. Where F is the force between the charges, K is the Coulomb's constant, Q1, Q2 are the magnitude of charges, R is the distance between the charges. Unlike charges attract, like charges repel. This attraction force is implemented in my spacecraft. So how does this work? In real life, top and bottom electron emitters that emit electrons to the space debris, smaller debris. Now when they eject electron to the smaller debris, these are negatively charged because electrons are negatively charged. In front of my spacecraft bus, there is a positively charged aluminum layer. Now positive negative, what will happen? It will attack those debris and capture into the foam layer.
Received any?
Sir?
Received any the damaging?
Yes, sir. And once the storage is full, we are dumping in the earth and burn up in the atmosphere. Yes, sir. Here's my spacecraft bus. We cannot implement here electrostatic forces. So instead of it, we put magnets here. And these are the debris. When the satellite revolves around the Earth, it collects those debris like this
Oh, okay, right.
and collects into the foam layer. And through this, we can protect satellite and prevent Kessler syndrome and a safe and sustainable exploration.